So finally we have come to our Don Bosco Church, as this is one of the most beautiful churches in North Bengal, Siliguri, and every year you can take a look around, you can see the beautiful building blocks where all the nuns, especially the sisters, they live together in these unique and separate chapels. Okay, as you can see, the location is really awesome. Let me help you to take a glance on this side. Okay, Sumit, just yeah, this is amazing, sir, right? Okay, as you guys can see, the beautiful flowers, well decorated, and the two-storied building where all the sisters live together. They worship God, they pray for the humanity, they pray for the peace and prosperity for the mankind, and they are very, very good at heart, because every time when we just come here, at that time we meet the sisters, but unfortunately they are not today. Actually, the whole chapel is completely empty, but we have visited Jesus and we have seen him, and we're just heading towards the main chapel. Okay, that is the big one where I know the bishop, and he might be waiting for us for something very special, for example like cakes or some gifts. Every year we just get some gift. I'm just walking backward, but I can make it to the forward view, right, using my software. Wow, such a beautiful, can you see me now? Okay, this side.
Yes, sir. This side is so
So
bright.
Sumit, how are you feeling after coming here?
So, well,
Okay, so Palash, would you like to say something about the beauty and the speciality of the day of 25th December?
Yeah, that's really a great
Yeah,
thing.
they are watching you actually from there.
Exactly, that's really a great day, and this is 25th December,
Okay.
and
Take the
we're gonna
background with.
just and like so many people, they are saying 2020, this is the worst year.
Yes.
No,
ever
no,
in
no.
our
This is the
life.
best year. actually.
But we can say like yes, so many people, they are facing problems, but the
Okay.
thing is that if we come over here, we can we can feel the peaceful
Yes.
nature, peaceful
Absolutely right.
environment,
Absolutely
and
right.
our mind also will get peaceful.
Yes,
Okay,
absolutely
so
right.
by doing this kind of like and just after 5 days or 4 days, a new year
Yeah,
is just coming.
the year is going to die. After 7 days, it's going to die.
Exactly.
And then we're going to take a new life. From January onwards, we're going to get something great, and that's our promise, because God really blessed us. We did not waste our time visiting different places, because we know where God exists, and this is the best place, especially on 25th December, Don Bosco Church. This is the best place ever to have a great direct contact with the God, right? So
yeah, before like I when I came previous year,
Okay.
I just used to think that why you always like exactly wherever you are, I don't know, but you call me and you just tell me, okay, come to this place.
yeah, it's
so
written.
what's the reason?
It's written over there. It's written.
Like it doesn't matter where you are, like
Yeah, yeah.
if you are in Kolkata, still you just want to come out in this place. So
Let me
what's the
tell you-
reason behind this?
Let me tell you one thing. Since I knew this place, okay, I frequently visit this place, especially on this day, just because I have seen Jesus is very active, okay, and Jesus grants all the permissions. Jesus grants all the prayers and expectations, okay.
Yeah.
So that is the best place, and we love Jesus very much, and that's why Jesus is giving us opportunity to receive everything we want from him, and that is the main reason I just come here. And we don't know exactly whatever happens in the day. Sometimes Palas, he's one of my best students, and also Sumit this year. This is completely a new place for Sumit, right?
yes, sir.
Just because this is Abhijit also, who is holding the camera, our handsome cameraman. Okay, so I would like to know. See, they have not visited the main chapel yet. Actually, the main beauty lies inside, right?
Yeah.
So Sumit, tell me, up to this moment, actually, we are heading towards the main church just in a while. But up to this moment, what do you feel about the beauty inside? How are you feeling after coming to this church?
Sir, actually, I don't come before to the church, so I don't imagine that how is the beauty of the church
Going to
So,
be?
Yeah, going to be for this season. After seeing this, I can that
You
this
can
beauty-
feel it. You
Yes,
can feel its
I
beauty.
can feel it that this beauty is so awesome.
Yeah, and about the silence, see the silence inside,
sir.
it already makes us believe that God really lives here, right?
Yes.
Now we are going to the main church, main chapel, which is more beautiful than this one.
Also,
Okay.
sir, I am very excited to see the church.
Sure,
also,
sure.
main
Okay,
church.
let's have a walk around, walk through the main chapel. Okay, a lot of statues are there. Jesus is waiting for us. Okay, we're just coming back soon. Wait, pause it.